Hello and welcome to 18 Life India. You are watching 18 Express with Jhuma. At least 75 intimates died on Tuesday and several were injured in riots blamed on gang rivalry at 3 jails in Ecuador's overcrowded prison system, authorities said. Washington Secretary of State Antony Blinken has kicked off his first month in the job with a blaze of diplomacy. Washington, Myanmar's military junta must relinquish power and restore the democratically elected government, the US has said, asserting that it stands with the people and supports their aspirations in reinstating a civilian-led government in the country. Japan has appointed its first ministry for loneliness this month after the country's suicide rate increased for the first time in 11 years during the COVID-19 pandemic. Beijing, China says its Tianwen first spacecraft has entered a temporary parking orbit round Mars in anticipation of land a rover on the red planet in the coming months. Kathmandu, in a big setback of KP Ole, Nepal's Supreme Court on Tuesday ordered reinstatement of parliament, 2 months after the Prime Minister dissolved the House and called for an early election. London, very optimistic of meeting target to lift COVID-19 lockdown, but nothing can be guaranteed, says Johnson. Joe Biden would not be okay if the Taliban ruled Afghanistan, says the White House. COVID-19 vaccination for senior citizens from March 1st, 2021. Maharashtra, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir has been witnessing a surge in corona cases. 5,000 crore annual loss to Western Railways due to COVID-19 crisis, says officials. Matter of pride for India that Narendra Modi's cricket stadium is now world's largest cricket stadium, says President Ramnath Kovind. The Congress government in Rajasthan presented its first paperless budget for the financial year 2021-22 in the State Assembly on February 24. BJP's Lokho Sonar Bangla campaign for Bengal declaration to be made with 2 crore suggestions. Mamata Banerjee told PM Narendra Modi, the country's biggest writer, said bad luck waiting even more than Trump. BJP leader of Kolkata Rakesh Singh presented in court arrested after high voltage drama. Jamui MLA Shreyasi Singh and Tejasvi were face to face in the House, said NDA government will give boost to sports. BJP woman MLA targeted Tejasvi, said Tejasvi does not know the meaning of development. Male party created ruckus in Vidhan Sabha, said it will raise the issue of crime in the House. Misbehavior with journalists in the Bihar Assembly building, due to which Male MLAs demanded inquiry regarding this incident. The politics of Bihar is being heated due to the statement of population control. That's all for today. For more news and updates, keep watching 18 Life India. Good night.